When you go to an Asian nail salon, if you want to know if the Asian nail tech will love you long time, these are some of the signs that you need to look out for. Once the Asian nail tech is comfortable with you, high chance they're gonna call you honey. Not honey, honey. Honey is a phrase for my friend. So usually you will get them saying, honey, what color do you want? How are you, honey? Good to see you, honey. The second sign that you're going to see that a nail tech will love you a long time is they offer you food. When they eat something in their hand, they sharing with their co-worker, they see you staring with a smile, they will come up to you. You want some honey? You look hungry, honey. The third sign that you're going to see is that they will take their time on you. Asian nail tech hates taking time. They like to rush through the process to get on to the next client. But if they take their time on you, honey, you feel good? You like the massage, honey? I rub you harder? That means they love you long time. But to get them to love you long time, of course, you know, a little good tip goes a long way. Gotta love your nail tech. Gotta show them love and respect. And you'll get respect back. And that's how you enter the love me long time kind of client.